Want to answer a call on your PC without touching your phone? Here's how to do it. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Tony and this is Tuesday's Tips. If this is your first time here, think about hitting that subscribe button, and if you're a returning viewer, then I really do appreciate that support. Let's get straight into it. There is a feature in Windows 10 called Your Phone. This enables you to connect your phone and answer calls without even touching your phone. It's got quite a few features and it's still evolving. Let's see how it works.
So obviously the first thing we need to do is to make sure you've got the Microsoft Your Phone app. You might already have it downloaded. If not, all you need to do is go to the Microsoft Store, search bar, type Your Phone. This is what you'll come up with, and if you've not got it, install it, and if you have, launch it. Once you've launched it, it will come up with this window and it will try and connect to your phone. Now on your phone, I put a screen recording of my phone on the screen now. Now this works with Android phones with Android version 7 or later. On your phone, from the top, pull down twice, and in your quick settings you'll see something there saying link to Windows. I'm not sure if this comes pre-installed on Android, but if not, you can go to the Play Store and download the Your Phone companion, and that will put it there anyway. It's quite easy to find. You need to turn that on. That's the connection between you and your PC. Once that's on, for the first time, you'll get a notification in this window and it will say connecting to your phone. You've got to make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi network, but you'll get a notification on there and it's sending you a notification to allow. It'll just pop up on your phone, allow the connection, and from there you should connect. And you can see here what you can do. This will show your in-phone notifications. This will show your text messages, your recent photos. I won't go into them. You can even show your phone screen, and you can control your phone from here. So let's look at TubeBuddy. There we go. So yeah, you can control your phone as you would from the screen, and the brilliant thing is your calls. Now if you receive a call, you can answer it from the PC. If you've got a Bluetooth headset or you're plugged in, you can answer and use your calls through the PC. And once you're in that call, should you need to move from the PC, there's an option to send to phone, and you click that and it'll send the call to the phone and you can walk off and use it. Let me know how you get on.
There you go, quite a useful app if you spend a lot of time at work on that PC without having to pick up your phone every time. Like I say, it is evolving, they're adding new stuff all the time, so we'll see how better this gets. If you enjoyed that, please give me a like. Let me know in the comments if you use this. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know. If you haven't subscribed yet, that's up here, and here's another couple of videos if you want to carry on watching. For now guys, I'll see you at the weekend.